Allie calling all Van Gogh fans. We have an awesome panel to show off today.
So these are our Legit Kit panels, and Legit Kits is a company that puts together kits that are paper pieced that you do these fabulous pieces of artwork with. But if you want to practice your quilting, or if you want to just quilt something faster and don't have time to paper piece, and you really love to strengthen your quilting skills, that kind of stuff, we have these panels that are available. So this was the first size. This is the size of the original piece of artwork and the kit that they did at Legit Kits. But we decided that we needed to upsize it because we really felt like that wasn't big enough to give the quilter enough room to really get some great quilting motifs in this. So we upsized it just a little bit bigger, maybe another 12 inches across and 6 inches on the bottom, so that you could, it's now 43 by 57. So there's usable 43 inches by 57 in this particular panel. So this would be great. You could even cut it up and put it in like a window box frame, so you could look at it like you're looking out the window. You can frame this like a picture, but it just gave it a more of a presence, because once we got this one done, we loved it, but we thought, you know what, we really thought it was going to turn out bigger, so we decided we'd try the bigger view of it. So this one is the current one that we have for sale on our site, and it is 43 by 57 inches, and we just love this. We're going to have someone quilt one soon, so you can see it all quilted up.
Absolutely. And again, if you're not into English or to paper piecing, it's not my biggest forte, but I do love Van Gogh and I love the Starry Night, so this is a great option.
Yep. Happy quilting, everyone.